I'm gonna build a PC with no tutorial. What could go wrong? Nothing. Nothing's gonna. There's no way this is possibly gonna go wrong. This is a brilliant idea. Alright, so the PC turned out pretty good, you know. For no tutorial, I did alright. Look, we got the power button here. So that's a problem. Let me just fix that real quick. Alright, I fixed the issue. So I'm just going to turn on the PC. It's a little bit noisy, I know. Maybe I put the fan in a bit wrong, but you know, that's that. The monitor's working pretty well, as you can see. Yeah, yes, as you can see, the monitor's on. It's doing alright. Yeah. What? Oh, yeah. So for the next thing, the RGB lights are working pretty well. Hold up. Let me see something. Yeah, as you can see, the RGB lights are working great. Yeah, as you can see, they're working fine. Yeah, so yeah, that's the PC build. Pretty not bad. Yeah, I reckon I did pretty good. Yeah.